This is the home page. This page just gives information about the project, the concept, and credits for the data source. Next, we move to the page, Musify Previous. This page deals with musification of periodic data. This is the periodic data input page. Since this project deals with musification of air pollution data around various locations in London, we have to first select the location. When we select the location, we get option to select the particle which we want to musify. Different locations have different particles. So we get a dynamic drop-down with list of all the available particles in the selected location. Next, we have to select the date range, that is the from and to date. Based to the range selected, we get a choice of averaging period for the data. If the range is less than 3 days, only averaging period is hours. More than 3 days we get day and hour averaging period. When the period is more than 3 months, we will have hour, date and month. When it's more than 3 years, we get years as well. Also, we can adjust the length of the music piece that represents the data point. After filling out the input details, we submit the details and wait for musification. After the data is musified, we are redirected to a new page with musified data. On clicking the Start button, the musified data plays. The musified data can also be downloaded by clicking the Download button. The page has 4 plots. The top left is the real-time series data. Top right is a visualizer for musified data. On the bottom left we can see the mapping of data in valence arousal emotional space. On the bottom right plot, we can see the location of the song in the valence arousal space. This continues for all of the data points. Unfortunately, pause button is still under development as it is creating some synchronization issues. Now we are going to the real-time data page. This is the real-time page. Since our data source update the value every 1 hour, we can use the real source. So for the demonstration purposes, we're using a dummy data source to imitate the real-time source. Similar to the previous page, this one also have the same plots along with song informations.